Rachel. I have 2 kids, been married a long time. Before the surgery, I was very active. I used to cycle to work and cycle on the weekends. I was a big runner, did some races, swam laps and skiing in the winter. What happened with my surgical experience was that I tore my left knee ACL and I had to get that repaired. The surgery itself went well. Didn't seem like there were any complications at first. It wasn't till about a month later that I started thinking that something might not be quite right. About a month after the surgery, the pain was increasing, my mobility was getting worse, and physical therapy was not going well. It took a while for the team to respond. The orthopedic team just told me that people heal differently and prescribed more pain medication that I reluctantly had to use. It wasn't until about a month after that, so 2 months after the original surgery, that I couldn't take it anymore. Everything was getting worse, mobility and pain. Well, it was certainly the hardest time of my life. I'd had 2 kids with natural childbirth, but the pain was not comparable at all, and the pain just continued. It was like Groundhog Day. So he scheduled a second surgery to see what was going on and take some samples of bone and tissue. That surgery, with the samples from the bone and the tissue, showed that in my tibia, that seemed to be the site of infection, and the infection carried itself through the ACL to my femur. This rare bacteria, an infectious disease doctor called me and said, "You have this rare infection, you need to come in tomorrow, you need to start treatment." I eventually went through 6 knee surgeries in 11 months. So between surgery 5 and 6, I couldn't bend my leg. It was just stuck straight, and I had a soft sort of cast around it. That was very uncomfortable and difficult. I was told around that surgery that if we couldn't get rid of this infection, that I did have to start thinking about above the knee amputation. The 6th and final surgery was a total knee replacement, and it worked. I was able to return to work, which is great. I get a lot of satisfaction. I really like my job. It's just such a precious thing to wake up in a body that works and to take a shower without having to worry about devices and to do the things you like without pain. I certainly won't take health for granted.